Welcome to school too. School too.
Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to use your life for. I'm going to do many.
African girl with a sweet body wine. You wear you grind, got me feeling alright. My African girl with a big booty wine. You wear you grind, got me feeling alright. Girl, you do me tinny. Come make a press up your pee pop. Shawty, you do me tinny. Come make a press up your pee pop.
We are from the Jehovah's Witness.
Emmanuel,
I am
you telling me the truth.
And this is Brother Goliath. We are here to share the good news with you.
No, we want to share
it. No, just 1 minute.
Jesus
1 minute.
is Lord. Oh my days. You want more worry to your Lord. School 2.
Keep watching School 2. Oh yeah, tap. Yo, it's a girl just love to laugh. Keep watching School 2 and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, School 2 Comedy.